Hi guys, Catherine here, and I just want to welcome you back to my channel. On today's video I'll be talking about PRs. This is going to be a series. I don't know how many parts we're going to have, but then again it's going to be a series because I feel like I need to make an in-depth video explaining or letting creators understand what PR package is actually all about. On this video, I'll be making use of all products from Zikel Cosmetics to achieve my final look. I hope you learn a thing or two from this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start with what PR package is. PR is actually a short form for promotional packages. Now, these are packages sent by brands to influencers for assessment and feedback. They enable creators to evaluate and share their honest opinions on new beauty products. So that's basically what PR is all about, you giving your review on brand products. Now, ethical expectations from content creators on promotional packages. When we talk about ethical expectations, that's what is expected of a content creator to deliver when it comes to PR. Number one on the list is giving your full disclosure, letting your audience know if it's a PR or not. Second on the list is giving your honest reviews on the products, if it's good, if it's a good buy, the qualities of the products, what the product is for. Then thorough testing, like make sure you test the products on yourself before putting it out there. For authenticity, you need to be authentic with your audience, like let them know what this product is about, if it's actually good. There's ethical promotion, promote it according to ethics, like be professional with your promotions. Respect brand guidelines. In as much as it's a PR, it is very important for you to respect the brand's guidelines. Now, here are some PR don'ts that creators need to take note of. Like, I get that you're sent this product for free, and in a way we all feel like, okay, we kind of owe the brand some form of appreciation for the products that they sent. But then again, you need to consider a whole lot of things. So here are some of the things that you don't do as a content creator when it comes to PR packages. You are not expected to pay delivery fee or incur any extra charges. Yes, it is really sad to hear that content creators are made to pay delivery fees for content for free content. Like, it just doesn't make sense. Like, why am I paying delivery fee for something that I would charge another brand? I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Like, it just doesn't make sense. You are not supposed to incur any fee at all. This brand is sending you their product so that you can basically bring life to the product. That's basically what's created. Because without our content, trust me, a product is just a product. But when you make use of these products, when you create content with these products, you basically bring life to the product. Like, people can say, oh, okay, this product can function this way, this product can be used this way. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So you are not supposed to incur any extra charge because you're not even being paid. Even paid collaborations, you don't pay delivery fee for them. So why are you paying delivery fee for free collaboration? Next on this is you're not expected to create multiple content. Please, creators, we need to learn to understand this stuff. You are not supposed to create multiple contents from a PR product. Like, it is not something that should happen at all. You're not supposed to create multiple contents from a PR. You only owe this brand one content in exchange for the free products. Like, you're basically just giving your review on the products that were sent to you. If you choose to create multiple contents, probably feature the brand in your other content, in your subsequent content, that's fine. But don't let any brand mandate you to create multiple free contents from a PR. Now, another PR don't is, I've heard about creators being added to groups. Like, I've heard a lot of stories. I've heard about creators being added to groups and being made to create multiple contents a month for a ridiculous amount of money. PR. Like, they come to you in the name of PR search, and then you end up being added to a group and then you are offered a very ridiculous amount. I'd rather you're not paid, or rather I'm not paid, than for me to collect such amount of money. Like, it just makes no sense. That's like a total rip-off. You have no business being added to any group whatsoever when it comes to
Remember
PR. when I first started out as a creator, I actually did a whole lot of free jobs. Funny enough, I actually still do a whole lot of PR. I still receive PR packages. I still enter for PR searches. Now, one of these PR that I entered for when I started out offered to pay with data, which I feel was even really, really considerate, knowing fully well how much data we spend as creators. Like, that's a good compensation in exchange for content, even though it's not as good as being paid. But then again, the brand was considerate. That's like something worthwhile. I'm just really pained about this whole thing because it feels like brands don't appreciate we creators and they just want to take advantage of us, especially the fact that, oh, you're upcoming, so therefore you don't have a say. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So it's just, we really need to stand up for ourselves and need to understand this business, because if we all keep going like this, we'll be stagnant. We won't move forward. People are making thousands of naira, millions of naira from being a content creator, and then one brand will just feel like, oh, it is okay for them to keep using you to get free content. Nah, it doesn't make sense at all. The moment they come to you with all sorts of terms and conditions, run. Like, run, pack your slippers and run. Because obviously a brand that values you will not want to take advantage of you. That's like one thing that we creators need to understand. We need to like start placing value on our content, start placing value on our skills, so that brands can appreciate us, so that more brands can appreciate us. Like, I feel like that's one very important thing we need to take note of as creators. We are all aware that brands have their terms and conditions. We as creators should also have our terms and conditions, so that once they forward you their terms and conditions, you forward yours. That way you guys can be on the same page and you guys can know from the onset if you really want to work together. Also, never ever be scared to opt out. The moment you feel like the whole arrangement is no longer comfortable or it's going way out of hand, just opt out. There's no point to it, and trust me, you will get other brands to work with. That's just the truth. In as much as you keep pushing, you keep putting out good quality content, you will definitely get brands that know your worth, that will be willing and ready to work with you. So please, creators, we need to stop selling ourselves short. We need to start placing more value on ourselves. Just like I stated earlier on, we need to know our worth. We need to put into consideration the things we go through before we can even put out this content, because a whole lot happens behind the scenes which people don't get to see. So this is where I'm going to be stopping for this part. Stay tuned for part 2, and I'm almost done with my makeup look. What do you guys think about this look? I really love it. I love how it's turned out. I love the outcome of this look, and it's all thanks to Zike Cosmetics products. And here is the finished look. What do you guys think about this makeup? For me, I really love it. I love the nude glowy effect I got. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.